Auto Garage, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, latest updates, and expert insights on the world's most exciting automobiles. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Ferrari SF90, a car that continues to push the boundaries of performance and technology in the world of supercars. Ferrari has once again delivered a masterpiece that blends electrification with extreme power, making it one of the most advanced and thrilling machines on the road. The 2025 SF90 retains its breathtaking design, featuring an aggressive aerodynamic profile that not only looks stunning but also enhances performance. The sculpted body, sharp lines, and signature Ferrari styling ensure it remains an icon of speed and luxury. With improved aerodynamics, the car generates even more downforce, offering superior stability at high speeds. The redesigned front fascia and rear diffuser work together to optimize airflow, while the lightweight carbon fiber construction contributes to improved handling and efficiency. Under the hood, the SF90 boasts a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine with 3 electric motors, producing an astonishing total of 1,000 horsepower. This setup allows the car to achieve blistering acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. The electric motors not only enhance performance but also provide all-wheel drive capabilities, ensuring superior traction and cornering precision. Ferrari has refined the battery technology, allowing for improved electric-only range and better energy management. Drivers can enjoy a seamless transition between electric and combustion power, making the SF90 a true marvel of engineering. The interior of the SF90 is a perfect blend of futuristic design and race-inspired elements. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a fully digital instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment system that offers seamless connectivity. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather create a luxurious yet sporty ambiance. The steering wheel is equipped with touch-sensitive controls, giving drivers easy access to various functions without taking their hands off the wheel. The seating position is designed for maximum comfort and control, ensuring an engaging driving experience whether on the track or the open road. In terms of technology, the 2025 SF90 comes with Ferrari's latest driver assistance features, including advanced stability control, adaptive suspension, and an improved hybrid management system. The car is also equipped with multiple driving modes, allowing drivers to customize performance settings based on their preferences. From all-electric mode for city driving to full-throttle track mode, the SF90 offers versatility without compromising its racing DNA. The upgraded braking system provides exceptional stopping power, ensuring safety and confidence even at high speeds. Ferrari has also worked on enhancing the car's software, integrating artificial intelligence to optimize performance in real time. The intelligent system continuously monitors driving conditions, making micro-adjustments to ensure maximum efficiency and power delivery. The aerodynamics are actively managed by adjustable wings and flaps, further improving handling and speed. Every aspect of the SF90 has been fine-tuned to deliver an unmatched driving experience, making it one of the most exhilarating supercars on the market. For those who appreciate exclusivity, Ferrari offers a range of customization options for the SF90. From bespoke interior trims to unique exterior color combinations, owners can personalize their cars to reflect their tastes. The brand's dedication to craftsmanship is evident in every detail, ensuring that each SF90 is a work of art. Performance enthusiasts will also appreciate the optional track-focused upgrades, which enhance aerodynamics and reduce weight for an even more thrilling ride. The 2025 Ferrari SF90 is a perfect example of Ferrari's commitment to innovation and performance. With its hybrid powertrain, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking design, it sets a new benchmark in the world of supercars. Whether you are a collector, a speed enthusiast, or simply an admirer of automotive excellence, the SF90 is a car that commands attention and respect. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to Auto Garage. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the world's most exciting cars. Stay tuned.